how are you all? Sorry, I hope all are good. So after a long time I'm coming here to make video because I was busy in projects and also, so now I'm making video. Okay, so this is the request of my subscriber because see, I make videos in Hindi also, and lots of video I make in Hindi, not much video in English. Okay, so I got like comment from subscriber like they need videos in English also. Okay, so I'm trying to do the video in English. Okay, this video I have done in Hindi. You can go if you want this video in Hindi, you can visit our channel and you can see the Hindi video also. And now same video I am doing in English. Okay, so because some are from outside of India, so they need this all details in English. Okay, so I am making this video in English. Okay, so let's start this video. Okay, so what I'm doing here, suppose if you have any website or if you have any business, okay, then how you can use this Razorpay in your website. Okay, in your website, how you can use that. For that I'm making this video. Okay, I'll show you first UI. Okay, I have simple UI. Okay, I have simple UI right now. I have done simple UI. This you can develop what is your means how is your website, according to that you can develop, but I will tell you how you can use this in your website. Okay, so this is the UI of my code what I am showing right now. Okay, so we'll go in code now. So first I think if you don't know about Laravel, then please visit our Laravel playlist store, playlist also. There I have done all the Laravel videos, so you will get the basic idea what is Laravel and all. Okay, what is controller, what is model, what is blade file, what is web.php, what is .env, everything you will get there. Okay, or if you know, then I'll start now. Okay, because if I tell that everything it will take time, so directly I'm starting. Okay, so what I have done, I have created one blade file. Okay, blade file I have, then controller I have, web.php I have, one model is also I have. I'll show you model also where it is. Okay, see here we have model also. Okay, okay, so what is .env? So .env file is nothing but where we include our database name. Okay, database name, username, or if your password you can put password. For localhost, I cannot put password and all because every time I need to enter the password and all, so directly I means without password I use. Okay, then this is our .env file, then this is my blade file. Okay, this is what, this is my blade file where I have designed this UI. Okay, so for that I have taken CSV token also. Okay, then this bootstrap and all I have included. Then if I go here, this is my input field. Okay, this is my input field where I am entering the amount, whatever the amount I want to make a payment, that amount I am entering here. And this is for error too, if any error is there, that it will identify. Okay, for that I have used this. Then add CSV token, because if you're storing, if you are using form method, you need to use CSRF, so it is safe. Okay, then next you can see here I have used Razorpay checkout.js, which is we need to use that JavaScript. Okay, here then you can see here, this is my, I have used here on click function. Okay, on click Razorpay button 1, I will check where it is, so I'll do Control F, there is 2 numbers, see Razorpay button 1. so whenever I will click on pay button, it will come here. Okay, it will come in this function, it will take this amount, whatever the amount, say I am taking amount.val, means whatever the amount is there in this input field, that I am taking and I am storing in amount. Okay, then amount into 100, because in Razorpay 1 rupee is nothing but 1 into 100 is nothing but 1 rupee in Razorpay. Okay, so I have multiplied that 1 rupee into 100 rupees. Okay, this is done. Then if you come here, I have included the Razorpay key and whatever the Razorpay key I have included in .env file, here I have included my Razorpay. Okay, so you can include there only because it is easy. Okay, so I have taken here Razorpay key, then amount I am passing here, then I have taken here Ajax headers, that is CSRF header, because if you are not taking this you will get error like 419 page expired something error you will get. Okay, then I have done here payment route. I'm calling here payment route. Okay, so right now we'll see only the how we can do the payment and how we can store that in database. Okay, so for that I'm calling this route. In here I have done for payment field, that I'll explain you in next video. So first we'll see this only, because if you clearly understand this, then easily you can understand payment file errors. Okay, so see here I'm calling my route payment. Here what I'm doing, I'm from response I'm taking payment ID and I'm taking amount. Okay, that I'm sending to my controller. For example, we're sending that to my database. Okay, so how that is happening, from success function, from data we're sending here in controller, and this is here I'm including the Razorpay key and Razorpay secret. Okay, then here request all, what it will do, it will take all the details from front end, means from UI. Okay, so we are taking from UI, and here we are taking Razorpay ID. Okay, this is to check the error. Then here will come, see, from request we are taking payment ID, then user ID I have taken manually one, then amount I am requesting. Okay, and B event that I have used for my project. Okay, so this I am taking to store in database. Remember, this I am taking to store in database, and to store that what I have done, I have taken payment model, insert get $pay info. Means what it will do, insert means it will insert whatever the data is there in $pay info, it will store in database. Okay, and here you can see I have taken my model, and you need to take this API also. Okay, Razorpay request API also we need to take. Okay, then this is stored in database, then it will tell like payment successful. Okay, so now we'll see, and we'll get the response like success, payment successful. That also we'll see whether we'll get response or not. Okay, so this is the controller. I explained the index file also. Okay, then this is our model where I'm taking payment ID, user ID, amount. This also I'll show you. So if I go here in my database, then you can see there is a payment ID, there is a user amount, there is a amount, a B event ID I'm not using right now. So user ID and amount, just I'm storing that. Okay, you can include that also here, comma B underscore amount. See, sometime what will happen, if you are not including here, it will not store in database, sometime it will happen. So it's better to include all the things. Okay, so I'll come here, I'll check once again. Okay, here directly we are storing, means no need, if you are not including also, it will store directly in database. Okay, so if I come here in database, it is storing. See, 1 I have included here 1. Okay, so what I'll do now, we'll do one payment and we'll check whether it will work or not. Okay, so I'm coming here, just this is my path. This also I'll show where I'm taking pay with Razorpay. Suppose if I go here web.php, remember that in web.php we include all the routes. Okay, we use here all the routes. So this is my first route, that is pay with Razorpay. Okay, so this I'm calling here. So I will do ₹1 payment only for right now. So pay. Okay, then net banking I'll select ICICI Bank. You can see here I'm getting name also Infisca, where I have included here. You can see in index there is Infisca. Okay, then test it is we are using for test, so it is test. Okay, so it will show there. Then what I will do, I will do here inspect. So I will get the we'll check whether we'll get response back or not. Then success. Okay, so success is getting, we need to check whether it is storing in database or not. So if I go here, where is my inspect file? Where it went? Okay, we'll check. I think I have minimized that, but where it gone? Okay, if I do here inspect, this is good. Okay, so see, once again I will do the payment, because I want to show you in insert also what response will get. So I am doing payment of ₹1. Then ICICI Bank I have selected. Okay, So what I will do, I will clear this, and now I will do the payment. I will do the success. So we'll check now what response we'll get, whether it is correct or not. Okay, so if it is success, we'll get 200. So it is success now, 200, and we'll check the response. So you need to click on this. We'll check the response. See, payment successful. As I shown you here, you can see in code there is we are returning one response, that is payment successful. That response only we are getting here, that is payment successful, means our payment has been done successfully. Okay, so we'll go in database and we'll check whether it is successful or not. Okay, you can see this is our payment ID. Okay, this is 1 rupee I have done. You can see the 27 details on here also. You can check it is a 27 only, and time is 6:43. Here it is 4:44 means 1 minute. Okay, so this is means payment done successfully, and even we are able to store data in database. Okay, so this is how we can store the data from Razorpay to database. Suppose if you are using any website, there also you can use this, and you can do the payment like this, and you can keep all the track of all the payments. Suppose sometime what will happen while doing payment, it will get failed. So that time you will see in database how much payment has successful and how much payment has failure. That also you will check in database. So database is very important in any website. Okay, so suppose if you have any queries regarding this Razorpay, then please comment in comment box. I will answer to that all the queries. If I get all the answer, I'll give all the answer. Okay, sometime what will happen, sometime I will not get time to answer, but mostly I answer all the questions. Okay, so thank you so much everyone, and please keep supporting us, because if you support us, we will motivate and we will do more videos. Okay, and suppose if you're facing any issues in your programming and all, please comment and please elaborate your question exactly, so we can answer that. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. Thank you.